folks, welcome to my How to Watch channel. Today I'm going to show you what is Google Trends.
Enter text you wish spoken here. Google Trends is a public web facility of Google Incorporated, based on Google Search, that shows how often a particular search term is entered relative to the total search volume across various regions of the world, and in various languages. The horizontal axis of the main graph represents time, starting from 2004, the vertical is how often a term is searched for relative to the total number of searches, globally. Below the main graph, popularity is broken down by countries, regions, cities and language. Note that what Google calls language, however, does not display the relative results of searches in different languages for the same term. It only displays the relative combined search volumes from all countries that share a particular language. See flowers versus flares. It is possible to refine the main graph by region and time period. On August 5, 2008, Google launched Google Insights for Search, a more sophisticated and advanced service displaying search trends data. On September 27, 2012, Google merged Google Insights for Search into Google Trends.
Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.